welcome to another edition of Home Cooking Done Roxy. Simple crab boil setup. So, I already started putting the sausage in the pan. Put the biggest sausage on the side. I think I got one more in there. Let me see. I found it. This don't take long. It's not even a 30, really too many. Not even 30 minutes. Oh, gosh. Okay. So, we're going to put the big one to the side. It's ready. I had garlic, salt, regular salt, and a little bit of garlic butter. And it's only 3 claws. Just doing a simple setup. This is Home Cooking Done Roxy. Put the more smaller ones to the bottom, right? But make sure your claws are showing. I'll show you. So make sure your claws are showing. So we're doing no shrimp today. And one of the claws come off. So don't always forget. Always check your pot and make sure you're not missing any claws. Sometimes the claws come apart. And we got a whole ear of corn. This is sweet corn. And we're going to put that right here. You know why? Because it was empty. It's an empty space. Right? Okay. So then we got our garlic butter. We're going to take a little bit of garlic butter. I'll show you the brand I use. They sell this at Sam's Club. If you have high cholesterol, you ain't got no business eating this. So, we're going to take the garlic butter and slightly rub it over the corn. Just sit it there for a minute. It'll start melting. And once it starts melting, it shouldn't fall. Bam. There you go. And put a few pieces on the clusters. That one kind of got away from me. Sorry, guys. A few pieces on the clusters. Just a few pieces. Just a few pieces. That's all you need. I'm losing my pieces. That's the problem. That's why it's taking so long. Because I should have been done already. Maybe I should get a spoon. Let's try a spoon. Let's try a spoon. Because this... Okay. And it has parsley and fresh garlic and good old-fashioned butter. And you want to keep these close to the claws, because that's the part you're going to crack real good. And I'll show you another little thing that I use. That's my favorite. And I always find these in Ross and TJ Maxx. They're good finds. And kind of cheaper to buy them there, because they're like $3 there. So this is paprika and a little lemon and lime, and this is also real good. All right, there you have it. I put a little dry rub, a little butter, and that is crab boil for today. This has been another edition of Home Cooking Done Roxy. If you are watching this, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube page, Home Cooking Done Roxy. I'm also Instagram, IG, Home Cooking Done Roxy. Facebook, FB, Home Cooking Done Roxy. Also, if you live in the Miami area, I have partnered up with Miss Boneless Chill Grill on 79th Street and 17th Avenue. And you can try my sweet potato pies there. Thank you guys for tuning in. Have a wonderful day. Ciao.